Welcome to Feast of the Saints. I'm Layla Wobskini. Today we're celebrating the Feast of St. Joseph. St. Joseph is the husband of the Blessed Virgin Mary and Jesus' earthly father. As a tribute to St. Joseph's Jewish heritage, we chose to make challah bread. Bread is traditionally served at St. Joseph's table celebrations, where honor is given to this great saint by offering up food as alms for the poor. In a large bowl, combine flour, salt, sugar, oil, egg yolks, and yeast, to which I have added warm water and let proof for 10 minutes. Stir with a wooden spoon until dough comes together. On a lightly floured surface, I'm going to turn out the dough and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it forms a soft, smooth dough. Form the dough into a ball, then placed in a well-oiled large bowl, and flip it over to coat both sides. Then, loosely cover with plastic wrap. Allow it to rest in a warm spot for 1 hour or until doubled in size. After an hour, punch it down 1 time, recover, and let sit for another 45 minutes. Now that the dough has rested, we're going to turn it into rolls. I'm going to knead it a few times and cut it into about 16 equal pieces. We're going to roll each ball into a rope. Then we're going to braid it. Then we're going to fold it in over itself and tuck one end in the bottom. Place the rolls on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then brush the tops and sides with egg wash. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Here they are, ready for St. Joseph's table. If you enjoyed this video, visit our website, feastofthesaints.com, for more recipes like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.